Handprint flowers. Materials required: construction paper in different colors, straws, tape or glue, scissors. Steps to follow: trace your hand on construction paper. Cut the tracing out. Curl each finger around a pencil like this. Now, using the palm of the handprint, form a cone with the fingers curling outwards. Glue or tape the ends of the cone together. Staple or glue the flower to a drinking straw. Draw some leaves on green construction paper and cut them out. Staple or tape the leaves to the straw.